Mom. Basically, my mom, there's thunder in the snowstorm, so she got scared and went.
Jesus is coming back! Now who you serve? What the fuck is going on outside? Get away from the windows! That's not lightning! You just duck for cover?
This is good for YouTube, right?
I live like on the second floor. There's no basement. I can't breathe. Should be helping me.
Yeah, it's a good video for YouTube.
Oh my god.
Why was your first instinct to hide under the cushions? Don't cry. Oh my god.
Get away from the window. Get away from the window. Hurry. Step down, Ari. Like, get under something, okay?